Having the right gaming PC can completely change the quality of your gaming experience. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best pre-built gaming PCs, so you'll never have to suffer through bad laggy gameplay again, and we'll be able to play the games the way they're supposed to be played. Now the only issue is that a PC might work great for one person, but might not be the best for you because most PCs are not made to be perfect for everyone, which is why I made sure to include options for all types of situations. So regardless of what you're looking for, I'll have the perfect gaming PC for you. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. First on my list is the Asus ROG Strix G15. The Asus ROG Strix G15 is a true beast under the hood. With a cutting-edge AMD Ryzen 9 processor and up to a whopping 64GB of DDR4 RAM, this PC doesn't just handle games, it devours them. Whether you're into fast-paced shooters or expansive RPGs, the Strix G15's performance is nothing short of extraordinary. But what's a gaming experience without stunning visuals? Fear not, as the Asus ROG Strix G15 is equipped with an NVIDIA RTX 30 series graphics card. Real-time ray tracing and AI-enhanced graphics bring games to life with unparalleled realism. Whether you're exploring a fantasy world or battling futuristic foes, every detail is beautifully rendered on its high refresh rate display. Competitive gamers, listen up! The Strix G15 features a 240Hz display with AMD FreeSync technology. Say goodbye to screen tearing and hello to buttery smooth gameplay. Lightning-fast response times ensure you're always one step ahead of your opponents, giving you the edge you need to dominate the leaderboards. And let's not forget the aesthetics. The Asus ROG Strix G15 boasts the signature ROG design with customizable RGB lighting. Personalize your setup to match your style and create an immersive gaming environment that's uniquely yours. In conclusion, the Asus ROG Strix G15 is not just a gaming PC. It's a gateway to epic adventures, heart-pounding action, and unforgettable moments. Whether you're seeking top-tier performance or mesmerizing visuals, this powerhouse has it all. Elevate your gaming experience and unleash your true potential with the Asus ROG Strix G15. Second beast in my list is Alienware Aurora R14. The Aurora R14 is powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 5912 core processor. Plus, it has 32GB DDR4 XMP RAM and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card. That's some incredible processing power, and it really shows in the R14. Performance games run smoothly at maximum settings for an awesome gaming experience. The design promotes cooling through a reorganized internal layout that creates fewer airflow obstructions. This allows fans to provide more airflow with less effort, so that also provides for a quieter operation. An immense storage setup enables Aurora R14 to handle the most intensive applications. Its 1TB SSD provides lightning-fast load times for your most used games and applications. 1TB hard disk drive provides plenty of space for games, media, and other files. When it comes to the software, the Aurora R14 does not disappoint. Alienware Command Center is a powerful tool that lets you customize the lighting monitor system performance and optimize game settings for maximum performance. It's also very user-friendly, so if you're not a tech expert, you can still get the most out of your gaming PC. The Aurora R14 has a cool futuristic look that's instantly recognizable as an Alienware product designed to look great from all angles. It has an optional clear side and doors on either side and an optional magnetic backdoor, so you can easily access and swap out components. Its multiple ports for all your needs are positioned on the front and rear. For ease of use, the Alienware Aurora R14 is a top-of-the-line PC on all fronts. Powerful, well-designed, and easy to use with features that will satisfy even the most demanding gamer. If you're in the market for a top-quality gaming rig, the Aurora R14 could be the perfect gaming PC for you. Next up on my list is the Acer Predator Orion 3000. For most people, the Acer Predator Orion 3000 looks great and has the gaming performance to match. It has a sharp-looking black case with a tempered glass side panel that gives you a glimpse of the powerful components inside. It's not too flashy, but it definitely looks like it means business. Now inside, the Predator Orion 3000 packs a serious punch. It's powered by an Intel Core i7 8-core processor, which means it can handle even the most demanding games and applications. It's also got an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, so you'll be able to play the latest games at high settings without any lag. The Orion 3000 also has 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512 GB SSD, providing plenty of storage space for your games and files. It has a first-class cooling system designed with sections between the CPU and the power supply. Each of the cooling fans include 4 RGB LEDs, which work to optimize the cooling, so the 3000's components are at a safe temperature, even when you're pushing the system to its limits. The fans are also pretty quiet, so you're not gonna have to deal with a lot of distracting noise while you're gaming the Predator Orion 3000. Front panel has 2 USB 3.2 ports, a headphone jack, and a mic jack, which is super convenient. The back panel has plenty of ports for all your peripherals, including HDMI and display ports. It has killer Ethernet E2000, 600, and Wi-Fi 6E, so you'll have fast and reliable internet connectivity even during intense online gaming sessions. It also has Acer's Predator Sense software, which allows you to adjust the system's performance and lighting to suit your preferences. It comes with Windows 11 pre-installed, so you'll be ready to go right out of the box. The Acer Predator Orion 3000 is a real winner with a perfect combination of powerful gaming components and advanced cooling system and lots of connectivity options. And if you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops. On number 4 in my list is the CyberPower PC Extreme VR Gaming PC. The CyberPower PC Extreme can move your level of competition up by a huge leap without breaking the bank. It's equipped with an Intel Core i7 processor to give you amazing processing power for your play. It comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 1 TB SSD, so you'll have plenty of space for all your games and applications. The CPU paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 12 GB graphics card means that the Extreme is more than capable of running all your favorite games at a reasonable level. The CyberPower PC Extreme has a great selection of connectivity options too. It has a total of 6 USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, 1 HDMI port, 2 display ports, a headphone jack and microphone jack, and more, so it's outfitted with a wide range of options for connecting to other peripherals. The audio on the Extreme is also extremely solid. Its 7.1 audio channel produces rich, powerful audio for your games and movies, music, and more. The package also includes the CyberPower PC Extreme Gaming Keyboard and 7 colors RGB mouse, so you can add a personal touch. Another great feature of this gaming PC is that it is designed to be VR ready. So with VR accessories and applications which are sold separately, you'll be able to experience virtual reality games and applications in their full impact. The CyberPower PC Extreme VR Gaming PC looks nice. The case has tempered glass panels on both the side and the front. It comes with RGB lighting that adds an extra level of customization and personalization to your setup. Last but not the least, on number 5 in our list is HP Omen 30L. This powerhouse is not just a machine, it's a portal to immersive gaming experiences like no other. The HP Omen 30 is a remarkable fusion of performance and affordability, supporting options from Intel Core i5 to i9 processors and a staggering 64 GB of HyperX RAM. This gaming rig is armed and ready to take on anything you throw its way. But what really sets it apart? The heart of the system, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 30 series graphics card. Brace yourself for visuals that will leave you breathless, with lifelike details and seamless gameplay. One standout feature of the Omen 30L is its commitment to upgradability. You're not just investing in a gaming PC, you're entering a realm of endless possibilities. The tool-less design allows you to easily customize and enhance your rig over time. Whether it's boosting your storage or upgrading your graphics card, the Omen 30 UL evolves alongside your gaming journey. But let's talk about what truly matters, your gaming experience. From intense battles to immersive exploration, the HP Omen 30 ensures you're at the forefront of every virtual world. Its sheer processing power and graphics capabilities deliver a smooth and lag-free experience, even with the most demanding titles. It's not just about raw power, though. The Omen 30 UL boasts a sleek and striking design that will be the envy of your gaming setup. The customizable RGB lighting adds a personalized touch, allowing you to create an atmosphere that resonates with your unique style. In summary, the HP Omen 30 UL is not just a gaming PC, it's a gateway to extraordinary adventures, heart-pounding victories, and a world where your gaming dreams come to life. Whether you're exploring distant galaxies or battling mythical creatures, this gaming marvel is your ultimate companion. If you guys like this video or learned something, please give it a like, and be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. That's all till next time.